Folks, here's an International 1466 tractor. This was a local trade to us. Had a family that liked John Deere better than they liked International, so I had a John Deere that they liked, so we went ahead and made a swap. This one is 38-inch rubber on the rears. I had 6 front suitcase weights. 5 of them are factory International, 1 is aftermarket. Dual PTO, so it will do 540 or 1,000, and both PTOs are already on the rear end, just like most of these 66 and 86 series Internationals. This one is the 1466. It's on a fresh service showing 2,788 hours, I believe. Took a picture of the tack, at least on the day here. Heat and AC is working as of today. You know how these older tractors are. They take maintenance to keep that up, but as of today, it is working. I'm going to say the rear rubber is about 60%, give or take a little bit. Cab on the interior is not the greatest as of right now. We do have a from Case IH factory cab kit that can go in this tractor. It does go with it. You just have to put it in. These tractors are 133 horse at the PTO. If you guys have any questions on this one or want to come drive it, well, just give us a call. Please check out the rest of our inventory at batafarmmachinery.com.